Hi, this is Tim from Latest 3DS Games, back with another online match, and this is probably going to be my last one that I put up for a little while, as I've got a barrage of games coming out, but I will be playing online regularly. So if you're around the Europe area, UK, you might bump into me. I usually play with left-handed Yoshi or Yoshi, as you can see, and I haven't been playing well lately. My ratings dropped by about 150 points, but I usually play with Black Star left-handed Yoshi. I'm not sure if I've starred him for this one, so we'll have a look. Okay, so 15 love. And I've got to say, this is one of my least favourite courts. I can't see the ball on it, which is not helpful. So, managed to scrape to 40 love. And we've won a game anyway, so I'm not embarrassing myself too much. Oh, seemingly embarrassed myself there though. That was a dreadful... don't know what I was doing there, playing around at the front of the court. Oh, misjudged where the ball was going. That's what I find the problem with this pink and blue palaver. That's 30-15 though. Oh, good return there, 40-15. That should be a comfortable 40-30. And we've got it back to Juice. And that's a nice comfortable advantage. And we've won. So that's a nice little match. And Black Yoshi pulled through on that one.